Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing today? I'm happy to be here today. I wanted to do kind of a Valentine's Day haul, a Barbie pink haul, as well as a Valentine's Day haul. So you guys, if you're in the spirit for Valentine's Day, come on aboard the channel, stick with me, hit like, subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. I'm excited. Let's jump right into this haul. So basically, I got most of the items from TJ Maxx. I picked up a few items from Ross and other places as well, but I'm going to call this a TJ Maxx Valentine's Day haul because most of the items came from TJ Maxx. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's my bag right here. It's pretty big, and I picked up several things. So I'm just going to go ahead and start talking to you girls and gentlemen about these lovely items. So the first thing that I wanted to talk to you girls about is these lovely items right here. And I'm so excited about these. These are some Barbie sweatshirts. So I was at TJ Maxx one day, and the first one that I found was this one right here. And it's so beautiful. The reason I like this one is because sometimes, you know, the texture and the feel of the material on some of the novelty type shirts just sometimes isn't as soft as I would like it to be. And this one was the material, the fleece of this material was so nice that when I saw it, I knew I wanted it. However, the day when I saw this in one of my local TJ Maxx, the line was so extremely long. I was like, I want that sweatshirt so bad. But the line was so long that I ended up leaving. I couldn't wait that day. I had stuff going on. It was busy and the store was extremely packed, and I just went in there to browse around. But the line just gave me anxiety. The line gave me anxiety, and I had to just say, you know what, I can't stay. For as bad as I wanted it, I couldn't stay. So I left. I ended up leaving, and over the next couple of days, you guys, I don't know why I do this, but I was like, the search is going to be on. I went online. I couldn't find it. So I said, let me call around rather than waste up my gas driving all over the city. I said, let me call around and see if I could find a local TJ Maxx that still has them. Luckily for me, I found one. I found several, and one of my other local TJ Maxx's still had it. And I love it because, like I said, the material is so nice and soft. And by the time I found it the second time, the first time when I found it, it was $19.99. By the time I called around and found it, it was on clearance. So you see, your girl got a really good price for it. And I'm with the Barbie movie, Nicki Minaj's latest album, Pink Friday 2. She took forever to come out with that second version from her first Pink Friday album, which was like one of her debut albums. Now, many years later, she did a Pink Friday 2. So with the Barbie movie and with Nicki Minaj's album or, you know, music, Pink Friday 2, Barbie has just really been hot and popular lately. And so this came in, it's by the Barbie brand, and I just wanted to have it. So I picked it up, and when I called the store and I asked the young lady, the sales associate, to find it for me, she also found it in this white color. The first time I saw it, at the first TJ Maxx that I was at, I only found it in the white. This time, since she found it, I was like, you know what? I'm going to take two of those. Let me get the pink and the white. So I was happy. And this one was like $10. Oh, $12. This one was even cheaper. So I was lucky that I found them, and they're extremely large, but I figured that way they're really comfy if I want to wear them out or if I want to sleep in them, just, you know, whatever I want to use them for. So they're really nice. So I really like the material of these Barbie sweatshirts, and they're going to be really nice and cozy to wear around the house or just whatever I want to, you know, whatever I want to do, wherever I want to go with these. These are going to be really nice items. So these are really nice. So those are the first two items from my haul. So the next item that I picked up, you girls, from TJ Maxx was this lovely tote bag. And you girls could see how large it is. It's so extremely big. It's a very nice tote bag, and it's in a terry plush material. It's so cute. It kind of reminds me of like a Marc Jacobs tote bags. I think all the tote bags nowadays remind you of the Marc Jacobs tote bags because they're so extremely square. But this one is really large, and it's in a terry cloth material. It's so cute. And it did come with a strap. So you have the strap right here for it that you could use it and wear it crossbody as a tote. You know, you're going to be able to wear it crossbody, but it's so nice and it's so large. This is just going to be a fun play bag. So it's a really, really nice, fun play Barbie bag, tote bag. So this was one of the items that I went ahead and I picked up in my haul. The next thing that I went ahead and picked up was another sweatshirt. And it's this one right here. This one was so nice for Valentine's Day. Like I said, it's kind of like a Barbie and / Valentine's Day haul. But this one is so cute because it has the lovely hearts on it. And it's just going to be so, so cute to wear. Really, really nice sweatshirt. So I went ahead and picked up this lovely sweatshirt from TJ Maxx. This one was nice. It came with a sticker, you guys. When I came home, I realized it said peel and stick. So you guess you could use this for your planner or for something, but this little sticker is it's a sticker that you could go ahead and peel off and use it in your planner. This is going to be really, really comfy to wear when I'm lounging around the house. The next couple of items that I picked up for Valentine's Day in my Barbie haul is none other than the Pink Friday perfume by Nicki Minaj. Now this is like her original version of the Pink Friday perfume by Nicki Minaj. I will say that I like the smell of this. I will say that now though, like we discussed, she does have her Pink Friday 2 out, and I did go ahead and pick that up. I wanted this for the bottle. I really, really wanted this for the bottle. I just think the bottle is so cute. And you go ahead, her hair is removable, and that's how you're gonna go ahead and spray the perfume. It's taking off her head and her hair. But that is just so cute to have. I love perfume bottles, you know, that are really, really pretty or, you know, are in the shape of something. And I like Nicki Minaj's perfume because I always love the bottles of her perfume. Another thing is I love the minis. I'm addicted to perfume minis. Anytime the minis come in somewhere, I'm a sucker for picking up the minis. I just think they're so cute. They look so adorable on your dresser or on your perfume, on your perfume tray or on your vanity. So I'm a sucker for picking up the minis. But this is the Nicki Minaj perfume. Okay, you girls, the next couple of items that I went ahead and picked up were makeup bags, and they're right here. So the first one I just thought for Valentine's Day is so cute. It says Babe. It's going to look so cute with my sweatshirts and with anything pink. And of course, for Valentine's Day, the hearts are so cute. What I like about this makeup bag is sometimes when I find the smaller makeup pouches, I go ahead and pick them up because some of the makeup pouches can be like an overnight, just like a toiletry case. Some of the makeup pouches are so big. So sometimes when I find a smaller one, I go ahead and I always make sure I pick it up. This one was just so, so cute with that pattern print on it. I think it's really, really cute. And then the next one that I picked up, I couldn't resist this. I couldn't resist the sequin. I've been in such a sequin mood lately. Around holiday time, you know, Coach did their sequin party bags, and all the companies just about have shimmery, glittery sequin bags. And right now I'm just kind of in like a sequin mood for things. It's just so cute and irresistible. It's just so girly and fun. And this crushed velvet, the other material of this bag is like a pink crushed velvet. It's so cute. And once again, it's a smaller makeup case. So I went ahead and picked this beauty up. The next item that I picked up for my haul, you girls, is none other than this. It's always, you guys, you know, the cute, adorable notepads. This one is a Hershey's Kisses notepad, and it's rather large, but every single sheet, it's just going to put you in a good mood. How can you not be at your desk and peel off one of these, write a little note on it, the sticky pad, and every one of them has the kisses on it. So it's like a giant Hershey's Kiss notepad. And I mean, this on your desk is just going to be so adorably cute. So I went ahead and picked this up. And the last and final item that I picked up for my Girly Pink Valentine's Day haul is none other than this item right here. This is a Snuggle pillow. So the Snuggle Buddies, I'm sure you're familiar with them, but the good thing about the Snuggle Buddies are, it says warm me, and you can go ahead and, you know, you go ahead and it comes with the little device that you unbutton the pillow and take it out, and you can put that in the microwave. So you put the little device in the microwave and then you put it back in the pillow, and then the pillow is just so warm. Who can resist the Snuggle Buddies? The pillows are just so warm, and it's such a, even if you don't use it as a Snuggle Buddy, even if you don't use it for that function, it's still an adorably cute pillow for the holidays. So this was the last item that I picked up for my Valentine's Day haul. I hope you guys enjoyed my Barbie and my pink Valentine's Day haul. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos, and I'll be back soon with more videos. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.